Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to play games on the screen display. To play games on the screen display, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and the car is connected to Play Store. Next, enter Play Store and go to Explore all apps, because right here we can find games. The game range is limited for the car, but still we can find some interesting stuff like Maze, or even Angry Birds. Simply install the game and then you can play it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.